everyone, welcome back to my channel, English Based Skill. Let's explore the world of phrasal verbs. Wake up. To stop sleeping and open your eyes in the morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Mom wakes me up with a gentle kiss on my cheek. Get dressed. It means putting on clothes. After I wake up, I get dressed in my school uniform. I get dressed for school before breakfast. Brush teeth. To clean your teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Mom reminds me to brush my teeth before bedtime. Eat breakfast. To have your morning meal. For breakfast, I like to eat cereal with milk. Dad makes pancakes for us on Sunday mornings. Go to school. To travel to school. I go to school with my friends on the school bus. On rainy days, Mom drives me to school in her car. Listen to the teacher. To pay attention and hear what the teacher is saying. I always listen to the teacher in class. The teacher told us to listen carefully during story time. Write in a notebook. To put words or drawing on paper. I write in my notebook when I'm taking notes in class. I like to write stories and draw pictures in my notebook. Read a book. To look at and understand the words in a book. I like to read a book before bedtime. Mom and I read a bedtime book with colorful pictures. Play with friends. To spend time having fun with other kids. I love to play with my friends at recess. On weekends, I go to the park to play with my neighborhood friends. Have lunch. To eat your midday meal. At lunchtime, I have a sandwich in a school cafeteria. Mom packed my favorite lunch for today, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Take a nap. To have a short sleep during the day. After school, I sometimes take a short nap in my comfy bed. On weekends, I nap for a little while on the couch. Do homework. To complete schoolwork at home. I do my homework in the evening. Mom helps me do my homework and we finish it before dinner. Have dinner. To eat your evening meal. At dinner time, we have meatball and garlic bread. I enjoy having dinner with my family and sharing stories about our day. Take a bath. To clean the body in the bathtub. Before bedtime, I take a warm bath. Mom adds bubbles to my bath and it's so much fun. Put on pajamas. To change into comfortable clothes for sleeping. After bath, I change into my soft pajamas. I wear my favorite pajamas with stars on them. Say good night. To wish someone a good night before sleeping. Before bed, I say good night to my toys and stuffed animals. I wave to the moon and stars, saying good night to them too. Go to bed. To get into bed and prepare to sleep. I go to bed at 8 p.m. All snuggles up in my blankets. Mom and Dad tuck me in before I go to bed. Fall asleep. To start sleeping. After a few minutes of listening to a lullaby, I start to fall asleep. I close my eyes and soon I'm asleep, dreaming of adventures. Wake up again. To stop sleeping and start a new day. I usually wake up again around 7 a.m. to start a new day. When I wake up again, I'm excited to see the sun shining. Now it's time to say goodbye to my lovely friends. Take care, all of you. Have a blessed day. Do subscribe us for latest educational videos.